So guys, this is a different video than normal. As I get eaten alive out standing in this field, there's got to be a good reason why I'm doing it. And the reason is that people are dying. It's not a funny matter, but that's just, you know, how I've always dealt with it, is humor. I don't know where to start, but the best place to start to give you my perspective is last week, a week and a half ago, I guess. I did an MVC. It was a motorcycle versus a car. And the car was making a left-hand turn, pulled out in front of the motorcycle, and the motorcycle ran into him. The guy driving the car was eating a sandwich at the time, being distracted. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but I just found out that he died. So that sucks. I've dealt with accidents like that before, where the people have died, and it does suck. I've always been able to deal with it pretty well. But this time, at the accident scene, I saw the wife of the motorcycle driver show up, crying, and his daughter was there as well, not knowing where daddy is. So as you can probably imagine, that hits home a little bit. I know I don't have any kids, but we all want to get home. We all have people that love and care for us. So that brings me into point number 2 that I wanted to touch on. Is that Independence Day weekend, at least in the States from what I've been able to find, is 11% more deadly on the roadways than any other weekend. That's just in America, that's not Canada. So, with that said, people need to slow down, pay attention. See the device that I'm holding, the device that you may be watching me on? Yeah, put that down. I know I've been bad for it too. Should be preaching to the choir. But realistically, just put it down. And slow down. I was hooking up a car on the highway today, little 2-lane road, and the amount of people that just flew past me was crazy. I'm not asking for much. Slow to 60. It's an 80, right? It'll take you, what, maybe 5 seconds more out of your day just to slow down. Maybe move over if you can, if it's safe to do so. But that's my own thing. Slow down and move over. Brings me into another point. I know there's a lot of points. I'm new to this. But it's definitely something important, so that's why I'm doing it in the first place. Because something needs to be said, because something needs to be done. And all my towing pages that I'm a part of, at least minimum once a week, I see a post about a tow truck driver, either in Canada or in the States, that dies on the job, on the side of the road, normally because of a distracted driver. At least one a week that I hear about from online. In a completely different country for the most times too. I know a driver who got hit and killed on a stretch of highway that I normally ran. That took me a little while to get over. I'll tell you what, that hit home. I'm still not over that. We all think that we're Superman, superheroes. Superman, superheroes, you know what I mean. We all think we're invincible. But truth of it is, some of us might not come home. And I know for a lot of us, tow truck guys, we don't make 100K a year. A lot of us don't even make half of that. There's a lot of risk involved in it. We got into this business, or at least I hope towers got into the business to help people. The thing I have to say is, help us help you by slowing down and giving us some room. And most of all, just pay attention. keep your eyes out, open, looking around. As you're coming up to an intersection, do a scan. Look to your left. Look back straight. Look to the right. I know it's opposite on the camera, but you get what I mean. Just look. Slow down. If you can't see and you're trying to turn left, don't go if you can't see. Being the holiday weekend, I've seen a lot of people passing on double solid yellow lines. I've seen a lot of people passing on blind hills. I've seen people passing on the shoulders. I saw that 5 minutes before I got home, where I'm filming this. It's crazy out there. I'm not sure exactly what it is, if they're just handing out licenses at the DMV or the Service Ontario, wherever you are. But something needs to change. Something needs to happen. I'm not saying it's all about the speed, because we just got stricter speed laws here in Ontario, and I'm all for that. Towing aside, if you're going 50 kilometers an hour over the speed limit, or 40 kilometers an hour over the speed limit, that's too fast. Honestly, it is. I get it, we all want to have fun, but like, slow down. You're not going to save any time if you cause an accident, because guess what? You're going to be there for hours. Right? I'm bad at keeping myself in frame here. Doesn't help with all these skeeters. But yeah, my joking and chuckling personality and swatting at mosquitoes, don't let that diminish the fact of the point. And the point is, people are dying, and they don't have to be. It's a simple fight. It's not a fight that costs a lot of money, or any money at all. It's not something that we have to put through Parliament or pass more laws on to restrict or take away freedoms. It's just something we can do on our personal level as individuals. I'm not saying just for me. I'm saying for fire, EMS. Sorry, I'm getting it swarmed here. Fire, EMS, police, tow trucks, any first responder vehicle on the side of the road. Hell, even if you see a vehicle pulled over with its four-ways on, slow down a bit. You don't know if that guy's getting out. You don't know if that guy's got a bee flew down his arm and he's jumping out and he's going to run around trying to get that bee out of his sleeve. Or maybe there's a spider in the car. Or maybe he's getting swarmed like mosquitoes and he's going to jump out of that car and not pay attention and run right out in front of you. You don't know. That stuff happens. While hooking up a car on that highway, I saw a guy, he wasn't slowing down. So I stepped that far over the yellow line, or the white line, sorry. And he slammed on the brakes and he gave me the, what the fuck, look. But he slowed down. I don't know, guys. It's a rant, but it's a rant with a message. Tonight, I'm lighting it up, especially for the gentleman of the motorcycle I towed. My prayers go out to you and your family. I hope your wife and your kids, if you have more than one, I'm not sure. I hope they do all right throughout all this. I hope they get to the bottom and figure out everything through the police. And I hope they are able to find a bit of closure with the closing of the investigation once that's all said and done. And I'm praying for all you towers, first responders out there. The roads are a dangerous place. We all just want to get home. So tonight, I'm lighting it up for our fallen brothers and sisters out there in the field. I'm going to lighten it up to hopefully help spread the awareness of slow down, move over law for all emergency vehicles, including tow trucks. And just as a general rule of thumb for people, just to slow down, take your time. Don't always need to be in such a rush all the time. Sorry, I got my thumb in there. I'm still getting my thumb in there. Yeah. This weekend, 11% higher deaths on the road, just in America, from the statistics I was able to find. It's crazy. Alright guys, I'm gonna throw up a bit of drone footage here, I think. Please be safe out there. Please slow down. I don't want to die. I don't want to leave my mom and my girlfriend and all my friends and family without Gavin. I think they're kind of fond of me, to be honest with you. I'm kind of fond of me too. I want to get home, and I know everyone else out there wants to get home. No one wants to die. If you do want to die, I'm sorry. There's people there to talk to. There's always people to help you through any situation. There's numbers to call. Thank you guys for listening. I don't ask many people to share, but if you could please share this, that would be great. I don't have enough of a following to get it very far, but please just share this with your friends. And if you don't want to share, that's fine. Just take what I said with a grain of salt. And just pay attention, open up your eyes, put down your phone. Slow down for everything. Just slow down. The world's moving too fast as it is. You don't need to drive that fast to try to make it where you're gonna go. It's not the way. It's not just, no. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. I'm getting eaten alive here. This has been my therapy session. So, I'll see you next time. Bye for now.